Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to hide banner notifications on the WhatsApp app for PC. If you've been bothered by those pop-up messages appearing on your screen, even when the app is closed, you're in the right place. This new update allows you to take control of your notifications and maintain your privacy. Let's dive right in and go through the simple steps to disable these banner notifications. First, you'll need to open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Once it's up and running, look to the left side of the window. You'll see a menu with various options. Among these, you'll find the settings icon. It looks like a small gear or cog. Click on that to enter the settings menu. Now that you're in the settings, you'll see several categories listed. We're interested in the notifications section, so go ahead and click on that. This is where you can customize how WhatsApp alerts you to new messages and calls. In the notifications menu, you'll find an option called Show Banner Notifications. This is the key to controlling those pop-up messages that appear on your screen. By default, it's usually set to Always, which means you'll see notifications even when the app is closed. To hide these banner notifications, simply click on the drop-down menu next to Show Banner Notifications and select Never. It's that easy. Once you've made this change, WhatsApp will no longer display those potentially disruptive or embarrassing message previews on your screen. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden banner notifications on your WhatsApp PC app. This simple change can greatly enhance your privacy, especially if you're using your computer in a public space, or if you share your screen often. Remember, you can always come back to this menu and adjust your settings if you find you're missing important messages. You might want to experiment with the Only When App is Open option as a middle ground. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you take better control of your WhatsApp notifications on PC. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.